Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of July's BoxyCharm. If you'd like to see what we got, just continue watching and I'll show you what we got. Okay. This month's theme is all natural. And if you're curious on the variation number, got variation number 4. There's all the stuff in it. Okay, it also comes with this Skin Bar LMS $10 facial, flash facial. Okay. First thing I see in the box is from LMS, which is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Shows that it's nourishing prebiotic green mask, advanced skincare, and it's 2.5 fluid ounces, which is quite a bit. And let's just read about it and see. Okay, it says LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Get a shot of green goodness with the treatment mask that nourishes and brightens for softer, smoother, and more radiant skin. And that retails for $35. And if you're curious, the whole box costs $21. And it's $21 a month. So if you're curious, and every 3 months it's $50 if you want to upgrade to the bigger box, which is BoxyLux. Anyways, let's go and continue what we got. Okay, next I see Luna Baluna. It says the shade is Mars. Let's go ahead and pop her open and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's pretty neutral. Pretty though. I like the packaging. Okay, let's read about it. Luna by Luna. Prepare for expertly pigmented lip gloss that delivers high shine with long-lasting color while delivering the look of fuller lips. This non-sticky lip gloss formula applies on smoothly and won't drip. And that retails for $18. Okay, next I see these cleansing spa water wipes. Contains natural herbal essence. Uses I can't pronounce that. Some kind of spa natural water. They're oil free and mildly acidic. And it comes no, it comes with 10. Okay. Okay, let's read about this. They're called Kojendu Spa Cleansing Water Gloss. Okay. These convenient cotton cleansing spa water gloss remove waterproof makeup and purify as well. Nourishing the skin. Trying to get it to focus. Shoot. With mineral rich cleansing spa water. And this retails for $17. Okay. Next we got Luxie Gaia makeup brushes. Yeah, they're brushes. That's what it includes. I'm not gonna open them, but it comes with a Luxie 250 large large eye blending brush, Luxie 246 precision crease brush, and Luxie 510 foundation brush. And that's pretty cool to get 3 brushes in here. Let's go ahead and read about this. Where is it on here? I don't see it on here. Oh, there it is. Blonde Bat. Luxie Gaia 3-piece brush set. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation with that Luxie 510 foundation brush. Blend your eyeshadow with the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxie 246 precision crease brush. And that retails for $30. And last thing in my box for July is this beautiful Butter London eyeshadow palette. Those are the shades. I already swatched them, so if you're wondering, they're pretty pigmented. They're not the best, but they're not the worst eyeshadows. Hold on. Butter London. Where the heck is it? Oh. Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Serving queendom, realness. Bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enhanced with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. And that retails for $32. Okay. Let me freeze that. Yeah, that's a really pretty palette though. Comes with a mirror. Yeah. They made it look like wood, which is really pretty, and I love the packaging itself. Yeah. So anyways, guys, that's the stuff that we got this month for BoxyCharm. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I guess we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.